Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tasya Berlianna and I'm with my friend.
Hello, my name is Juliana Patricia.
We're going to show you how to write a sales letter to attract consumers. Before we dive deep into steps of writing sales letter, we have to know what a sales letter is.
That's right. So, what is a sales letter? A sales letter is a letter written to publicize and ultimately sell a product or a service to the consumers. The goal of a sales letter is to show a customer how your business will benefit them.
That's why a sales letter needs careful planning and must encompass the principles of effective sales writing. Here are the 7 steps of how to make a sales letter that we're going to discuss in this video.
Step 1. Write a catchy headline that grabs your customer attention. Tell potential customer what they need in one sentence. Make it memorable because this may be the only thing they see. Example, no more trouble for working moms to prepare healthy lunch.
Step 2. Hook the reader by identifying what they need and why. Addressing the unspoken needs of the sales prospect will connect them to your product. If you can explain why this product or service will benefit them, your potential customer will pay more attention to your words. This is one of the examples of the step 2. We know it's hard to make sure your family have healthy lunch while you're busy working. Delivery services are everywhere, but not all of them are good to consume every day. For only $60 to $80, you can already make sure 4 of your family members get nutritious meal delivered to them for 5 to 7 days.
Step 3. Include bullet points with key information. A bulleted list will help readers see the information you want to highlight. Use this list to build on your headline and hooks. For example, like, you will love what we do because we have a lot of menu you can choose for a person each day. We deliver all the lunch boxes to everyone everywhere they are in the city starting at 12. Our staff will notify you after each of your family members receive the food. And we also give free milk or juice box for kids.
Step 4. Use testimonials or statistics. A sales letter should show readers the value of your product. Include testimonials and statistics in your bullet points so readers who scan can quickly see valuable information that helps sell your product. This is the example of the testimonials. One of our customers says, I don't have to bother myself thinking about my family's lunch anymore because of Fun Lunch. Our other customer says, I can't believe it is that easy to make sure my kids have some delicious yet healthy food for lunch even when I'm away.
Step 5. Give readers a call to action. Your readers need to be motivated to move beyond the page and do something to act on your offer. Help them by presenting a clear, actionable step in your letter. For example, like this, get your free lunchbox by first go to www.famfunlunch.com and register to your account to be our member. Number 2, order your favorite meal in the website menu. And number 3, when you check out your order, enter coupon code hashtag FFL01. And number 4, the free lunchbox and your favorite meal will be shipped to you.
Step 6. Offer something to the customer that is limited in time or quantity. An effective sales technique is to heighten the immediacy or make the need feel greater for potential customer by introducing a timeline for a deal. This technique is also used by limiting the number of items available for the offer. This is one of the examples for step 6. The coupon code only available for 7 days from now, so please register to be a member as soon as possible.
Step 7. Use a postscript to add a guarantee or personal address. Using a postscript is another way to connect with customer and make your letter feel more personal. It is also another way to emphasize your offer in a scannable way. For example, PS get 10% off for your first order. Don't miss this opportunity to taste our delicious menu.
And this is the full example of sales letter. That is all the steps that you should follow to make a good sales letter to attract consumers.
We hope this video can help you improving your writing skill to make a sales letter. Thank you for watching.